Under-sink storage solutions for small homes transform deep, awkward spaces into efficient, accessible zones for cleaning supplies and plumbing-accessible items. Start by measuring the interior cabinet depth, height from the bottom to the sink basin, and the positions of pipes and garbage disposal so you can choose appropriately sized organizers. Tiered sliding shelves work well when you need vertical access. Install low-profile metal or plastic tiers that glide on ball-bearing slides, and make sure the front lip is removable for cleaning. Pull-out trash and tote units should be mounted on full-extension soft-close slides and sized so the tote clears the plumbing when fully extended. Use a lightweight container with handles so you can lift it out when required. A rotating Lazy Susan fits in corner or semicircular voids. Select one with raised edges to contain spills, and choose two-tier versions for bottles and spray cleaners. For custom-fit cutout drawers around plumbing, trace the pipe locations on a template and have a cabinet maker or skilled DIYer cut plyboard or medium-density fiberboard drawers that slide on undermount or side-mounted hardware for smooth action. Hanging caddies on cabinet doors are the simplest addition. Use plastic or metal caddies with adhesive or screw-mounted brackets and place frequently used items there to keep the base clear for bulky items. 3 common mistakes are not accounting for plumbing clearance, which leads to obstructed slides and damaged organizers, choosing organizers that are too tall so drawers hit the sink, and ignoring weight capacity causing sagging or failure. Measure and add at least 1-inch clearance around pipes and test slide travel before final installation to avoid interference. Check the vertical travel and open the sink cabinet doors fully while measuring so your tiered or pull-out units do not collide with the sink structure. Review the load ratings of slides and shelving and use plywood bottoms or metal reinforced shelving if you store heavy jugs or multiple bottles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place to discuss installation methods, product choices, and space planning ideas related to under-sink organization. We help contractors find projects and homeowners share experiences in our discussion community so both sides learn practical approaches and real-world tips.